The difference, huh? That's the only thing though, it's more easier to break off.
You gotta have like what's the best? What, fluorocarbon is better than
I think I got one. Yep. Yep.
what kind?
I don't know yet.
Oh, you don't got nothing.
Oh, it came out. Yeah, dude.
What is that?
A little baby one. What is this? Dang, look at that. I told you.
Yeah, that look like a white ass almost.
That might be the one that he just caught. Smallest fish ever right there. Throw him back. What is going on, YouTube? Fishing with Drew Outdoors. We're out here at this pond area, as you can see. Well, it's like a river canal connected to the Trinity River. I'm out here fishing with my cousin. We're throwing lipless crankbaits right now. Probably slow it down here in a little bit. I caught that little bass, little small bass. Hopefully we could hook it to some bigger fish than that. And if this doesn't land anything else, we'll probably just move to another spot. So hopefully this one has, hopefully we catch some good fish so we don't have to be moving around like that. But just stay tuned, okay? All right. Got another little one. Little baby fish. It's number 2. What'd you say? If you don't get on one, little baby fish, throw them back. Bro, you might have to take a loss on this one. Cause I'm over here scraping the ground like crazy. Look at them. Put that in my video. Yeah. Oh, I hope this is it. I think I got something. Oh shit. Oh, I got something. All right. There we go. Number 3. Number 3 right there. Bro. I am killing it with the smallest fish ever. Number 3 right there. Throw his little ass back. Got one, Rolly. Bro, this is a nice one. Whew. A little better. It's a nice little bit better. I felt him grab it as soon as I threw it. Starting to get a little bit bigger. Alright, so I was just throwing around that orange craw made by Strike King. It's a 1/2 ounce lipless crankbait. That's the one that was actually getting anything. And then I caught those 4 fish. 3 of them were like baby small. The last one was maybe almost a pound, pushing a pound. As soon as I threw that one, I was just fan casting it everywhere, and as soon as it hit the water, that last one just struck it right away. So I think I was good with the color. I just wish the sizes were a little bit bigger. They were all small, but definitely gonna be going back. So I live in Irving, where there's a bunch of canals that are connected to the Trinity River, so that's where I've been going lately, trying to find new spots, trying to fish different areas, and that was a new spot also. There's a big old carp that swims around right there. If you know any baits that work for carp, drop it in the comments. I appreciate it. But in either way it goes, it was a pretty good fun time. I'd rather catch small fish than no fish at all. I mean, it still gets my adrenaline going, so that was pretty good. That's pretty much gonna do it though. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you really like it, hit the subscribe button for me. And until next time, I'll see you later. All right.
You won't let me down.